Okay, everybody, real short video here this evening. What we're going to show off tonight is the Mars mod for the Icom IC-701. This is the easiest Mars mod you will ever do. However, it is not a true Mars mod. This is actually just an extended frequency modification. You'll understand why here in a second. Okay, so the IC-701 has 160, 80, 40, 20, 15, and 10 meters. You can see right there it's at 1.8 megahertz. Goes all the way to 1.9. And as you can see, this dial locks whenever it hits the bottom of the band. We're going to go ahead and do the Mars mod on it right now, right here on camera. Now, all it is a grounding of pin number 14 on the accessory port. And just like that, Mars mod is complete. As you can see there. And you can see it drops all the way down to 1 megahertz now. Here's the issue. This isn't a true Mars mod or even a true out-of-band programming, if you will. This doesn't have an AM carrier in it. It only offers sideband, CW, and ready. So, no AM, which means no AM broadcast band. As you can hear, you go up through it. Nothing. Nothing whatsoever. Okay? Now here's why the Mars mod fails. Go up to 80. And it drops. But it only goes to 3.99. No 60 meter band. We take out the modification. Still goes to 3.99, but now stops at 3.5 again. So, it is a Mars mod, as they call it, but it's not a true Mars mod. We'll show the pictures here of where we ground out in the back on the pins. And that's that. Once the mic comes in for it, we'll get her up on the air and running. But that is one of the simplest modifications you can do to this radio. Thanks for watching, everybody. Okay, here's how you measure out the pinouts for the 24-pin accessory. You start right here in the lower left-hand corner with pin 1, and they count upward. 2, 3, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. The pin you want is pin number 14, right there. That's where you ground out, and all we used was a little piece of 14 gauge wire. Didn't even have to be solid wire, we just used a stranded wire we had on hand. And we ran a test lead to finish the connection. It's as simple as that.